One of the most misdiagnosed faults I ever come across is O2 sensors and airflow meters that are being replaced when they don't need to be. So if we look at these faults here, air mass sensor performance, air mass flow performance, and O2 HO2 sensor circuit performance, bank 1, sensor 1. This is a Vauxhall Antara. So if you don't have yourself one of these, go and get one, because you're going to save yourself and your customer a lot of time and money. Hook it up to your battery leads and then hook it up to the intake of the car, and then you'll find your problem is down here, boost hose. That boost hose is going to be split, so we'll have to remove the battery to get it out. Okay, I've done a temporary repair on that, clear the fault codes, and we can see the vehicle has full power back. We'll get a new pipe ordered and fitted, and see you in the next video.